Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for modern bathroom fixtures that will upgrade your home fast. I'm your host, Bob. Let's dive in, shall we? Did you know, mate, that upgrading to modern bathroom fixtures can actually boost your home's value by up to 5%? It's true. Simple changes can profoundly transform your space, enhancing aesthetics and increasing comfort, making your bathroom both stylish and functional in no time at all. This guide is all about breaking down the latest fixture trends, from the perfect faucets to those stunning vessel sinks and more. We'll show you how to take your bathroom from dated to absolutely dazzling faster than you think. Modern fixtures aren't just about utility. They redefine spaces and boost property appeal, making daily routines more enjoyable and efficient. Whether it's a master bath or a guest powder room, the right upgrades make a lasting impression. So, what are these game-changing fixtures? Let's talk about the most popular upgrades and trending designs. First up, the matte black sink faucet. A real bold modern statement. Its sleek finish and contemporary design instantly elevate your vanity, pairing beautifully with white sinks or natural wood. Plus, it's practical, resisting fingerprints and water spots. Then there are wall mount faucets. They're all about clean, space-saving elegance. Ideal for smaller bathrooms, they free up counter space and offer a minimalist sculptural presence. And for versatility, widespread faucets are brilliant. They fit both single and double sinks and come in those popular finishes like brushed nickel, gold, or that trendy matte black. Property experts agree these cohesive choices significantly impact overall home value and style. Every detail truly counts, from water flow to those free shipping deals. Moving on to tech-savvy and luxurious options, the Touchless bathroom faucet is a total game-changer for hygiene and water saving. These motion sensor beauties minimize germ transfer and water waste, perfect for family bathrooms or a smart home setup. For pure indulgence, consider a rainfall showerhead. It turns your daily shower into a spa-like experience, mimicking gentle rain. And for an open, airy feel, frameless glass shower enclosures are fantastic. They make even small bathrooms appear larger and brighter. Don't forget floating vanities, which offer minimalist storage, create floor space, and are incredibly easy to clean. Finally, smart mirrors with LED lighting provide anti-fog visibility and touch controls for optimal grooming. These aren't just fixtures, they're investments in comfort and modern living. Let me share a quick success tale. Sarah and Mark, a busy Brisbane couple, loved their classic home but had a dated, cramped main bathroom. They wanted to boost its value before selling without a huge renovation. We suggested high-impact upgrades, a sleek floating vanity, a modern matte black widespread faucet, and a frameless glass shower. We also included a smart mirror for better lighting and hygiene, plus a dual flush toilet for efficiency. The transformation was remarkable. Their bathroom instantly felt larger, brighter, and more modern. Sarah found cleaning much easier, and the kids loved the new touchless faucet. A later appraisal showed their home's value had increased by nearly 4% solely due to these bathroom upgrades, exceeding expectations. Sarah exclaimed, "It's like we gained an entirely new room. The value boost was just the cherry on top." This highlights how strategic fixture upgrades offer both luxury and significant returns. Ready to see what small changes can do for your home? Book a call with our experts today.